Hello guys, we have back with another video of batch size calculation. In this video we will determine the batch size and we will see the product development of a solid dosage form. Here we will consider an example of paracetamol tablet 500 mg. So in order to decide the batch size or a product development, we have to see the following. Number one, process selection, process design, selection of ingredient along with its compatibility, equipment capacity, product forecast, decision of batch size calculation, and preparation of BOM and BMR is the final step. We will see all the steps one by one. Process selection. In process selection, the main important thing is nature of API. As per the nature of API, you have to decide either you need to perform wet granulation, dry granulation, or direct compression. Which one is compatible with your API? Here in this case of paracetamol 500 mg, we will go with wet granulation. Now either you want to produce core tablet, coated tablet, or bilayer tablet. This depends on your dosage form. This depends on your product development criteria. So we will produce core tablet in this case. There are many studies that either you have to see the patent formulation etc. So paracetamol is usually a core tablet, so we will perform calculation on core tablets. Here is the list of ingredients which will be used to produce a paracetamol tablet. Following are the list of excipients, that is maize starch, pre-gelatinized starch, talcum powder, PVP, magnesium stearate. These all are ingredients to proceed for wet granulation. These are the granulation equipments: high shear mixer, fluidized bed dryer, Fitz mill, blender. In order to produce a batch size, in order to decide the batch size, we have to see the capacity of each equipment. Here in this case, we assume that we have a capacity of minimum 50 kg in this case. Now the product forecast. Marketing forecast, usually marketing propose a forecast per month, that is in this case market product forecast is 8,000 packs and each pack is having 10 tablets. It means 80,000 tablets required per month. So in order to produce a wet granulation batch, you have a capacity of minimum 50 kg. In this scenario, how would you perform calculation? So here in the second column you see the list of ingredients, and in the third column you see the percentage required. You will decide the percentage. You can see the percentage of each excipient from Handbook of Pharmaceutical Excipients, and then you will set the total weight of the tablet as per the active quantity. You have to produce 500 milligram of tablet, 500 milligram, and then you will see that 2% of 500 is around 10 milligram, 4% of 500 is 21.43, percent of 500 is around 13.25, 9% of 500 mg is around 43.75. So in same case is the magnesium stearate. So the tablet weight is 589 milligram. Now the equipment capacity is you can produce a minimum of 50 kg. So what you need, you just need to multiply 50 kg with 1000 two times and then divide by 589. You will get this value, 84,889 tablets. So next, now you need to produce uh, in bulk quantity. So you will calculate requirement in kg, the last column. You just need to multiply the milligram per tablet, that is you will multiply 500 with 84,889 tablets, and then you will convert it into kg by dividing by 1000 two times. You will get the value of 42.44 kg, and you will repeat the same calculation with talcum, maize starch, PVP, pergelatinized starch, magnesium stearate, and the final value you will get is 50 kg. So in this scenario, you will produce 84,889 tablets. So this is all about the batch size calculation. You have calculated the batch of around 84,889 tablets that will produce the tablets as per the market requirement. Thank you. So this is all about the batch size determination, batch size calculation. In the next video, we will see the potency adjustment. If you have other queries, you may directly email to me, or you may comment on. Thank you.